Namaste Dharti Vasiyo. Welcome to our channel. I'm Sweetie.
Nima here.
So guys, I'm so excited. This time we are going to react on Warang's funny moment. So, Havrang is a very special K-drama to me because that was the first K-drama that I watched. It was my entry into the world of K-drama land.
So what made you watch Varang?
V, Kim Tae-young of BTS. So I was very intrigued when I came to know that V is in the in the series. So yeah, because of him, I watched the series, but I have a completely different bias in this series. So
Who is it?
Do Jihan.
Yes. Oh yes, I remember the Do Jihan phase.
Oh god, so he's still my favorite. So
Guys, Sweetie has a oppa and it's Do Jihan.
And who is your favorite?
Well, mine is Kim Tae-young, but I like Do Jihan. I also like, who's that king? Actual king?
Park Hyung-sik.
Yeah, Park Hyung-sik. He's also very
He's cute.
yeah, he's cute, good looking, and really he suits the role. So Varang, Sweetie saw Varang first, and well, this is not my first K drama. Mine is Itaewon Class, but Sweetie spoke so highly about it.
I was like,
Although I
watch it.
also wanted to see it because of V, but then when she said like no, it is actually a good K drama apart. Like it's got good story, it's funny, it's very engaging. So she pushed me to watch it and it's amazing. I was so engrossed. I could not just stop watching it. Even when I used to eat lunch, it was Varang.
Remember Mummy saw one scene when they were dancing, when they were like trying to audition.
Yeah.
And that time even our mom was laughing so sorry.
Well, so we are so glad that finally we are doing a funny moments episode on Varang, and all of them we love so much, and the series we love so much.
Actually introduced us to so many K-drama actors.
Yeah. There's who I forgot. I keep on forgetting names. Who's the main lead? He was
Park Seo-jin.
Yes, he was in Itaewon Class also.
Yeah.
He's really good actor.
And come on, Didi, your favorite.
Kim
Koi
Tae-young.
Min-ho.
Oh yes. Oh, I've completely forgot.
You forgot Koi Min-ho.
I forgot Koi Minho. Oh God, it's Choi Minho. Someone just told us very funnily.
Is it Choi or Koi? I
also keep on
forgetting
saying
it.
Koi, but I think it's Choi Minho.
We are sorry, guys, if you're pronouncing the surnames wrong or the names wrong.
Yeah.
So come on, Didi, you forgot your favorite.
I completely just went out of my head. There is Choi Minho
I
in
was
it.
like, why are you not saying his name?
What just happened? Yes, of course. That's why I love Varang. Because of Choi Minho.
So,
Oh,
guys, let's start the funny moments. Kese, it's from dog bird.
This is the first episode,
This is
first
how the
scene.
serial
Yeah.
starts. Oh, I like Goara so much. She's one of my favorite actresses. I just love her. She's so pretty.
Another one.
어머머 멈춰 안돼 가지 마봐 안돼 멈춰
The series is actually funny sometimes. It's very
Oh, the football scene.
야, 보인 줄 알아.
Do Jihan, Choi Minho, whom I fought.
Oh,
V.
he was so gentle in this
Yes.
series. He was so caring and gentle.
He was really sweet.
And he was very young at that time.
Yeah, he was very young.
That was so funny. Park Seo-joon scores the goal for the opposite
왜
team.
배웠잖아 이걸 치냐? 검술이니 공만이 내가 다 이기는데 왜 축복은 매번 지는 거냐고! 그리고 이상하게 축구에서 지고 나면 기분이 더 나빠. 왜지? 그냥 저것 때문 아니겠어?
Doji.
Oh.
Their relation chemistry is very nice in the series.
Oh. He's this playboy sort
Yeah.
of.
Oh god, how can I forget about Joy Mino? He's the best part.
This was the best when they fight. This is a sacred place where they fight.
Yeah.
늦었다. 네가 빨리 온 거지. 뭐? 짧고 굵게 가자.
Oh, Kim Tae-young.
No, I don't have Kim Tae-young.
That was Kim. That was me.
Oh.
Yes, that was me.
It was at
But
this
this-
moment that he knew.
Forgot, at that time that he's from BTS.
Yeah.
We just completely forgot about it. Oh, he's going to.
He goes for the other team. Oh god.
Oh, Park Hyung-sik, yeah, after so long. I mean, he just appeared right now. Oh, this is very funny.
This is the entrance.
I loved Park Hyung-sik. He was actually like the king, like the
Yeah.
proper king. His attitude.
This was the entrance, no?
Yeah, after the entrance, they had to pick the room partners.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fighting.
After getting drunk.
Yeah.
It was so funny. Oh god.
Oh.
먹을 갈아서
아이고,
근데 이게 어떻게 되는 거라고?
이렇게 쓰는 거였나? 누이와의 정란,
Your sister
막대할 때 가장 커지는 거.
tells her to take her and
전방에 누이가 보인다. 어떻게 해야 될까? 자, 달려가. 달려가. 걸어. 걸어. 걸다가 뭐 진짜 뭐 계속 걸어.
throughout the series.
행복할 때까지.
Someone V dies, no?
Yeah. This was the time they were trying to escape.
지금 그 절대 끝장 좀 안 통한 거야? 안 통했나? 내가 분명 한 병 줬는데 냄새만 맡아도 안 마실 수가 없는 술이라고. 끝장주가 아니라 이상하게 생겼다. 뭐야? 내가 뭐랬나? 끝장주라니까. 가자.
Run.
Oh shit, this is such a funny moment. I would. Oh no, it was not that.
형이 이게 안 돼. 괜찮아. 잠깐만. 더. 이거 좀 심하고 위를 울리는 오라비가 싫은가 보지. 아니면 부럽든가.
It's funny. The series is too funny. It's all meme material. I like Momo's hair.
Yeah, it's.
잠깐만 이쪽으로.
She's Mino's sister, right?
봤어? 왜 그래? 놔! 이 자식 진짜 일로 와, 이 자식아! 어디 감히 내 동생! 와! 와!
Oh.
Mino is so precious in this series.
이건 예상치 못한 전개인데? 불쌍해. 에휴.
어떻게 저렇게 어머니를 하나도 안 닮을 수 있지? 태우 전화는 참
Oh yeah, you remember that?
Crush on the queen.
Crush on the queen.
따뜻한 느낌인데.
Oh, the dancing.
Sometimes I feel he's actually laughing.
So Park Hyung Sing, Kim Tae Young, and Choi Min Young, they were all in Paris. Oh. Oh, he's the best. the series.
Yeah, I
again.
feel like I should start watching it again.
That
Wow.
was amazing.
Guys,
So-
if you haven't seen Warang for
Yeah.
some reason, you know, BTS is not only the reason.
Yeah,
The reason
yeah.
is it's a good K-drama. It's very funny. It's got good-looking guys all across the place, and
And
wow.
you guys have seen from the funny moments, yeah. And it's not just these, it's like throughout the series.
Yeah, Warang is absolutely amazing. It's one of our favorite K-dramas.
Yes.
Wow.
So,
Oh God, I've got tears in my
guys,
eyes.
hope you liked our reaction to Havrang funny moments. And if there is any other K drama that you would like us to check out, please comment down below. And as always, please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye.